Hello and welcome to Astronomy Spotlight for June. This month on Astronomy Spotlight, the summer solstice and the summer triangle. The summer solstice in the northern hemisphere occurs this year on June 20th at about 3:51 p.m. That is what we're seeing right now in our planetarium sky. It is actually set for 3:51 p.m. on June 20th. Usually it occurs on June 21st. Occasionally it even occurs on June 22nd, but this year it is on the 20th. It marks the longest day of the year for our northern hemisphere and the beginning of summer. The solstices and the seasons are caused by Earth's tilt on its axis, which is about 23.5 degrees from the vertical, as well as its orbital motion around our star. The Earth's tilt also explains why we can be farthest from the sun in early July and closest to the sun in early January, because at the summer solstice, the Earth is tilted toward the sun, and at the winter solstice, it is tilted away from the sun. Moving on, mid-June is a good time to look for the summer triangle. It is not an official constellation because it consists of the three brightest stars in three different constellations. They are all easily seen by about 11:30 p.m. in mid-June. The star atop the summer triangle is blue-white Vega. Vega is at the top of the triangle. It would be, I guess, to the right on your screen, right there. Vega is the fifth brightest star overall in the evening sky as seen from the Earth. Vega is in the very small constellation of Lyra the Harp, or the Lyre, L-Y-R-E. So this was the mythical harp of Orpheus. It was said he could tame wild beasts simply by playing this harp, his favorite instrument. So when he died, he was honored by having his harp raised to the heavens, where it is still to this day. So there are the lines for Vega. Basically, it's 4 or 5 stars, with Vega glowing brightly at the top. The second star in the triangle is Deneb, the star marking the tail of Cygnus the swan. And let's see, there are the lines for Cygnus. There is the artwork for Cygnus. There are several myths about swans, and so really we can't be sure which one relates to the constellation of Cygnus, if any, in fact. Cygnus is also known as the Northern Cross because, as you can see, with the constellation lines on, it does resemble quite a bit a cross. It doesn't take a lot of effort to see the figure of the swan among these stars as well, especially, of course, with the artwork on. Deneb is not only by far the most distant of the 3 stars in the triangle, but also the most distant of all the bright stars we can see from Earth. It is approximately 2,600 light years away. A light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year, about 186,000 miles per second, or 6 trillion miles in 1 year. So stars beyond about 100 light years away are simply kind of difficult to determine for sure. So it could be anywhere from 2,500 light years to about 3,000 light years away. Now Vega is only 25 light years away. And our third star, Altair in Aquila the Eagle, is relatively nearby, just 17 light years distant. This means that Deneb must be a very large and intensely bright star. Deneb, which means tail, is the 19th brightest star as seen from the Earth. Finally, blue-white Altair in Aquila the Eagle is the third point of the summer triangle. Let me turn on the lines for Aquila. There it is at the bottom. Altair, which means eagle, is the 12th brightest star in the sky. Aquila was the messenger of Zeus and the collector of Zeus's thunderbolts. There is the artwork for the eagle. Deneb, Altair, and Vega actually are the three brightest stars in the eastern sky at this particular time. So they're easily seen on warm summer nights. All right, thank you all for watching, and join us again next month for Astronomy Spotlight.